Tila walang makakahadlang sa mga balak ni US President Donald Trump para sa Venezuela. Alamin ang detalye sa Politico Update ni George Cahiles.
Nagbabala si UP Political Science Professor Aris Arugay na maaaring sumunod ng ibang makapangyarihang bansa sa ginawa ng Amerika sa Venezuela. Sa At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi ni Arugay na wala rin magagawa ang UN Security Council dahil kayang i-veto ng Amerika ang mga resolusyon nito.
If I'm Putin, maybe I can kidnap Zelensky as well. If I'm Xi Jinping, I can say that, oh, maybe I can kidnap and create charges against President Lai of Taiwan or the Philippine president. Who knows? So in other words, this doesn't inspire confidence on the what we call the rules-based international order.
Bukod sa pagkuha ng langis ng Venezuela, paniwala ni Arugay na balak din ni Trump na putulin ang relasyon ng Beijing at Caracas.
By immediately replacing Maduro and maybe putting in a more cooperative U.S. government, the U.S. can then say that don't deal with China, just deal with us. And if you're going to sell with China, it has to be under our auspices because that's what Donald Trump said.
Nagpamalas man ng lakas ang Washington sa Latin America, humina naman ito sa West Philippine Sea, kung saan patuloy na binubuli ng China ang mga barkong Pinoy sa loob ng sarili nating teritoryo.
Every time something happens in the South China Sea, meaning aggressive behavior by China towards our Coast Guard or fisher folk, the U.S. ambassador in Manila is the first to tweet or to first to condemn the aggression, invoking that China respects international law and the rules-based international order.
Yeah.
The hypothetical now is that if the U.S. Embassy in Manila issues the same statement, will it have the same weight, given what happened in Venezuela?
Naghain na ng not guilty plea si Maduro at ang kanyang asawa sa korte sa New York nitong Lunes. Nahaharap sila sa kasong cocaine trafficking at pagsanib sa mga kartel na tinaguriang terrorist group. George Cahiles, Billionaire News Channel.